If we observe an image of a butterfly and draw a line straight down the middle using a dashed line, we might quickly notice that both sides of the butterfly appear to be exactly the same. This occurs because each half serves as a mirror image of the other, meaning that the left side is a perfect reflection of the right side, and vice versa. In the field of mathematics, when we come across objects that show this kind of mirrored similarity, we describe them as being symmetrical. The dashed line running vertically down the center of the butterfly that divides it into these two equal and matching parts is what we refer to as a line of symmetry. This idea of symmetry also applies to basic geometric shapes, not just natural ones like butterflies. For example, let us consider an isosceles triangle. This triangle has one distinct line of symmetry running vertically from the top point straight down to the middle of the base. This line cleanly divides the triangle into two sides that are mirror reflections of one another. Because there is only one such line that splits the shape into symmetrical halves, we say that the isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. Now, let us examine a rectangle. Rectangles are interesting because they exhibit more than one line of symmetry. First, there is a vertical line that runs from the top edge to the bottom edge through the exact center, which divides the rectangle into left and right halves that look the same. Second, there is a horizontal line that travels from the left edge to the right edge, again through the middle of the shape, and this line splits the shape into symmetrical top and bottom parts. Due to the presence of these two distinct lines that each result in mirrored halves, we say that a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. If you ever feel unsure about whether a shape has symmetry or not, a simple method is to draw a line through it and visually check if the two resulting sides look exactly the same. If they do, then the line you drew is a line of symmetry. Now, let us turn our attention to an equilateral triangle, which displays even more symmetrical properties. An equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. The first line is the easiest to spot and runs vertically from the top corner directly down to the midpoint of the base. This divides the shape into two equal halves. The second line begins at the bottom left corner and goes across to the midpoint of the right side. The third line starts from the bottom right corner and connects to the midpoint of the left side. Each of these lines creates two matching mirrored sections of the triangle, resulting in a total of three lines of symmetry. Recognizing these lines helps us understand the balance and uniformity in shapes. In summary, symmetry is a fundamental concept in both nature and geometry, and understanding it allows us to better appreciate the beauty and structure of the world around us. That concludes our explanation, and we hope everything made sense and that you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again in another lesson soon.